Today for science, you're going to make a really fun craft. This is called the Butterfly Life Cycle Plate Craft. And you should have all of these supplies that you need in your big baggie that was sent home the last time you picked up supplies here at the beginning of April, right after spring break. So the things that you will need is a paper plate. You will need a marker to write the different parts with. You will need scissors for cutting out your little leaf pieces. And so you have a green piece of construction paper that you can use to cut into like a leaf shape. If it's easier, you can kind of trace a leaf shape first and then use your scissors to cut it out. You need 4 leaf shapes. You're also going to need liquid glue, bottled glue. And then in your baggie, you should have 3 white beans. You should have a curly rotini noodle. You should have a shell noodle. And you should have a what we call a bow tie noodle. All of these pieces represent different parts of the butterfly life cycle. So the first thing you should do is you should take your marker and draw a line from the top to the bottom of your plate in the middle. And then from the side to the other side in the middle, so that your plate has 4 different parts on it. Then the next thing you should do is cut out your 4 green leaves and glue them on your plate. Now, before you glue on the beans and the noodles, it's probably best to finish the writing. So you should have this page also in your blue folder. And so it will show you, you can write the title at the top if you want to, Life Cycle of a Butterfly. And then you're going to write egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. So it's nice to use maybe a black or blue marker or dark green, something like that, so you can see it really easily. So like I said, first your lines, then your leaves, and then use your marker to label the title and the different parts. And then they also drew some arrows here. If you would like to draw little arrows pointing to the next part of the life cycle, you can do that as well. And then the last thing you're going to do is use your liquid glue and glue on the different beans and noodles that represent each stages of the life cycle. I hope you have a really fun time doing this project. And if you want to, you can take a picture of it and put it on Seesaw for me to see. I would love to see how your paper plate life cycle turns out. Also, make sure that you click on the other link in the slide for Science Today to listen to the story.